Are you tired of taking boring showers? Wow, that's a lot more exciting. I'm the best at what I do, and that is to test new products to see if they are worth your hard-earned money. Unless you're rich like Elon Musk. Welcome back to the channel. It's your friendly neighborhood social media engineer with another exciting unboxing. Today we're going to take an exclusive look at this Rainfall shower head kit. I don't know about you guys, but I know I hate it when I'm taking a shower and it's simple shower head. That's why I decided to upgrade. Let's see what's inside this box. I know it's a plainly wrapped box, but I'm pretty sure what's inside here will make my shower system a lot more fun to work with. All right, straight out of the box, you see everything that you see right there. And make sure you check the items part list. Make sure everything is included right here. So it looks like they sent me the round configuration kit and also the silver color or the stainless steel color. Depending on the style that you choose from, whether it be round, square, silver color, or black, it can cost from $35 to just below $40. Okay, so let's take a look at each of the parts. This is the Rainfall shower head. You see all these different nozzles right here. Very nice, super smooth, shiny finish right there. See that? Wow. And this is the handheld unit. By the way, this features 9 different spray modes. Okay, so there's the 2 options. You can use a handheld shower part or the Rainfall part. And it comes with a super long 11-inch extension arm. And of course, extra washers, plumber's tapes to seal it in so it doesn't leak. All the tools that you need right here. And it even comes with these 4 hooks where you can hang your towels. All right, let's go ahead and get to the assembly since we have all the parts right here and tools. Okay, so I'm inside my bathroom right now. First step is to remove the old shower head. Of course, making sure the water is turned off. Simply unscrew it. It should come off easily. My next step is to use this Teflon tape, otherwise known as plumber's tape, around this male pipe adapter's thread. So you simply wrap around it. This basically acts as a sealant to prevent leakage. Then I'm going to put a washer in a 3-way water diverter. Okay, and then I'm going to screw it onto the male pipe thread. So I decided to add the plumber's tape to the other 2 threads too. I should have started out with all the threads. Alright, so now I'm going to put the washer in the extension arm. And I just realized that you have to loosen this in order for this to turn, otherwise it would be hard to put on. Okay, so 2 washers go in here. And then that's how we're going to attach it to here. Otherwise, if you don't have that unlocked, it's going to be hard to install it. So I noticed it was hard to screw on because they said to add 2 washers when in reality there's already 1 in here. I think just what they meant was a total of 2. So you just want to add 1 and now it should be easier to screw on. Yeah, because it wasn't leaving enough space for the threads to get connected there. That's better. So I noticed there's this plastic cap on the shower head. You simply loosen it by unscrewing it. See? Alright, so what we want to do is probably use Teflon tape on that thread too and add 2 washers to install this. Okay, I put the remainder of the Teflon tape, plumber's tape. Since there's already a washer with filter right here, I'm gonna add one more washer because otherwise there won't be enough threads to connect that. And I'm gonna loosen this so I can bring this down. So you loosen and tighten it to get it to different orientation or angle that you want. And now I can finally install the shower head. Notice the rotation you can have. Oh, it's starting to look into place. Can't wait to use this. Pretty excited by the shower. Coming shower. It's gonna be fun. Okay, there's one more remaining open pipe that you see right here, which you can't see in this angle. So what I'm gonna do is add the washer to this metal extension pipe and then screw that on because that's the last remaining piece. Sometimes you have to think about these stuff because it's make common sense. Okay, now I'm going to screw the flow regulator to the end of this extension hose, like that. Extension hose already has a filter and a washer already in here. And then I am going to add another washer in here and then screw the metal shower head, handheld shower head portion onto the flow regulator. Because it was leaving a gap with the additional washer in here, I decided to take it out because it already has the filter washer in there, and that looks a little bit more flush. So the flow regulator has a min and max that you can change by rotating the dial for the handheld part. Next, I'm going to install this adhesive shower head holder. This is the upside. What you want to do is find a central location in the shower or bathtub where you will be standing and easy to reach, and also where it can spray your body. So I'm going to probably put it in the upper right corner, right there. And it's preferred that you install this on a dry surface for 24 hours before actually putting some weight onto it, which is the shower head handle. So I'm gonna put it probably right here. It's a good location. Stick that in. Okay guys, I've given it a good amount of time. Let's go ahead and hang the shower head in here. And so you can see, this can tilt. You can access it easily. And it can act as a dual shower. All right, it's time to test it out. All right, here we go. Hopefully there will be no leaks. Ah, that looks good. Wow, that's amazing. No leakage. As you can see right there, rainfall shower. It's good. Go ahead and flip that. Switch up here, and that will turn it into the dual purpose shower, handheld shower, and the rainfall shower. And one more would be just the handheld portion. All right, let's cover the different settings of this one. Let's go ahead and change it to both of them on. This is the horizontal, okay? All right, so here's a handheld unit. Notice the antimicrobial plastic, so it doesn't collect any germs. Simple switch to the dial, and I have it on max. Let's go ahead and go for all 9 settings. And this is pause, by the way. This is one of the settings. 1, you can hear it click. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it ranges between spray and full shower. 7, 8, and don't forget pause is one of them. Now, of course, if you want it to be higher pressure, you just simply turn off the rainfall portion. So let me turn off the rainfall portion. Using this the handheld. And that's how powerful the stream is. Oh yeah, and don't forget you have these shower hooks to put your towels or your back scrubbers. Oh my goodness guys, this shower head combo is amazing. Not only can I massage my body, I can have fun showering. And you can use the handheld portion to wash your baby, wash your pets, such as the dog, even wash your clothing. And don't forget this is highly adjustable. You can rotate at any angle, turn it on, turn it off, adjust the water flow. Woo! Why not make your shower more fun with this amazing shower head set?